Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You're listening to Financial Survival, sponsored by Discount Gold and Silver Trading. I'm Melody Cedarstrom, and it's good to be here this afternoon. Yes, it is Wednesday, March 4th, 2009. And again, thank you for joining us this afternoon. And, of course, this program is brought to you by Discount Gold and Silver Trading, 800-375-4188 for all your gold and silver coin needs. That is 1-800-375-4188. And, folks, if you are looking to send us a question for the program today, you can email us at discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. Discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. And, of course, you can always use that email address for your gold and silver coin questions and investments. If you have questions, we do lots of questions regarding your gold and silver coins. Lots of orders are taken by email, and it's a great way if our phones have been extremely busy. If you have a hard time getting through, drop me an email, and we can certainly send you out prices, lock-in prices through that way, because those are checked on a regular basis. So Discount Gold and Silver at yahoo.com. And our website is discountgoldandsilvertrading.net, discountgoldandsilvertrading.net. And I believe we're going to go to the cold gold prices. Today, gold was cold, down $10.20 at $906.60. We have silver up 8 at $12.96, and platinum was up 12 at $1048. We have palladium up at $202, and of course they are all off the highs of the day except palladium, and we had a high of gold at $923 today. So struggling. Kind of likes to stay above that 900 level, so we'll have to see how she follows through for the rest of the week. 800-375-4188, again, for your gold and silver coin needs. Coin prices, they pulled back a little bit, not to the same degree as bullion gold, and so now's the time to buy them. Some great buys in some of these coins. And today we have Robert Chapman joining us from the International Forecaster, editor and publisher. Good afternoon, Bob.
Well, good afternoon.
Yes?
I'm writing something down here, and it's important. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
A day that we expected. If you noticed, on Monday I said that the market looked like it might want to rally from 6,700. And it's done that in the face of absolutely deplorable news. And that's sometimes what markets do. And, of course, I'm sure it was given a boost from our government. And so the Dow is up today. And it looks like it closed up 150 at 68.76. And that's not the final. We won't be in for about 6 or 7 more minutes, and until the tape clears. But I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't see a test on the upside of 72.86 on the Dow. No, 72.68. Whatever it is, it's close in there. And it might be thrown back there. And then again, it might go 2 or 3 or 400 points higher, but I don't think it's going anywhere. The outside month is only down $6 on gold. Gold traded in the April month just under 900 during the course of the day, and gold is trying to find a bottom, and you can prove that by watching the action yesterday and today in the gold stocks. Yesterday, they were up, and today they were up a little bit as well. And as I said on Monday, they're trying to find a bottom, and they're searching around. And the stocks are telling us, yes, we're looking at a bottom. So we'll see. The dollar attempted to rally this morning. It was up firmly, and then it changed. What do you have on the USDX?
Right now I'm showing 88.57, down 73.
88.57, and the breakout point was 88.46. So we get about 30 points. And if we traverse that and break back down through, it'll be very, very, very bad for the dollar. So let's see what happens here. I knew that the first part of that rally up through wouldn't stick, and I said that on Monday, but we'll have to see what happens tomorrow and the next day. And if it breaks back down through that 88.46 number, then we'll know that the dollar's got some problems. You see, it's not a strong dollar. It's a weak everything else. And it's being caused, again, by continued deleveraging, although I believe 70% of deleveraging has already been done. But I think that there's more to go. It'll go through the end of the year, I'm sure. And it affects everybody and everything within the financial markets. I think that this issue that the people received today was a very good one, a lot of information. And for someone who really wants to know what's going on, all the things they really need to know, they need the forecaster, believe me. I believe we're on the bottom on gold here in this 900 area approximately. I thought it might hold at 930, but it didn't. You see, those big shorts are going to start covering. And they are not making it much money, I'll tell you that. Because they started shorting, at 890 and 900 and 910 in that area. So I think they're getting out with their skins. And they're lucky to be getting out. And so they got to cover. That means they got to buy the positions back that they sold, that they didn't own. And so that's in process. The outside, the April gold market's getting stronger right now. How much did you have silver up on the day?
Oh, I had silver up on the day. And, Bob, you'll have to tell Judy I didn't get my copy of the IF today.
Well, when we go to break, I'll tell her.
Silver was up 13 at 13.01.
Yeah, it was up 25 earlier. It still held on like a tiger. I mean, gold was up, what, $20?
Yeah.
And silver was up like, let me see here. It's up about 25 cents, I think.
Well, Bob, you're just not going to have an up day in all the three metals except gold. You have silver, platinum, palladium all up. So I can't imagine gold being also down, as you said, the shares and for those metals too to all be positive and the actual spot market to be down.
Well, the April, we're in access right now. It's off 550. And the spot was off 12 or something. So
yeah,
it's 7 points difference. So I think we're going to have a higher market in the morning. One of the things that I wanted to mention to everybody that is very important, the Federal Reserve and the Bank of England have been desperately trying to bring down interest rates. That would be particularly the short-term rates, as opposed to the 5, 10, and 30-year paper. And LIBOR, the London Interbank borrowing rate. They had let's look at the 2-year first. The 2-year first got down, the yield got down as low as 0.70. traded last week up as high as 1.10%, and then it's dipped back down to 88. Now it's moving back up again. That's 0.95. So I think that short-term 2-year rate is going to go back over 1% yield this week. But more important, the low on the 10-year, which, along with LIBOR, is hooked up with the mortgage rates. The 2-year rate got down to 220. It traded on a close